everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Radio Garden application for your Android phone. So let's dive ahead into the video without further ado. Open your Play Store to begin. Once you open it up, go to the search box at the top and type in Radio Garden. Make a search for the application and then look for this one over here from Radio Garden BV. Tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android phone. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to open the app on your Android phone and get started with it. Radio Garden is an online platform that allows users to explore live radio stations around the world. It is done so by rotating the interactive globe. Users can listen to radio broadcasts in real time by navigating the globe and selecting a specific location. So that's how you can easily download Radio Garden application for your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.